I'm waiting for when I can go, when I'm over 60. Till then, whenever he calls, ഞാൻ ഇവിടെ വരും.
ശബരിമലയിൽ നിന്നും മകരവിളക്ക് കഴിഞ്ഞ് അവിടെ ദർശനത്തിന് വച്ചതിന് ശേഷം നടയടച്ച് അവിടെ നിന്നും പന്തളം കൊട്ടാരത്തിലേക്ക് തിരികെ ഗംഗാധരൻ ചേട്ടൻ്റെ സംഘം നയിച്ചു കൊണ്ടുപോകുന്ന തിരുവാഭരണം 30 കിലോമീറ്റർ അകലത്തിലുള്ള പെരിനാട് കക്കാട്ട് കോയിക്കൽ ക്ഷേത്രത്തിൽ ഇന്ന് ഉച്ചയോടുകൂടി, അതായത് 1:30 മണി മുതൽ സ്ത്രീകൾക്ക്, പ്രത്യേകിച്ച് എടുത്തു പറയണം, പ്രായഭേദമന്യേ സ്ത്രീകൾക്കും തൊഴാം. അതുമാത്രമല്ല, എല്ലാവർക്കും ദർശനം ചെയ്യാം. ആ ഒരു ദർശനമാണ് ഇവിടെ നടന്നുകൊണ്ടിരിക്കുന്നത്.
A lot of youngsters want to go to Shabarimala, especially women. When you have an option like Perinad, people don't even know about it. You know, make it famous. Come over here. See, Ade Ayyappan, Ade Abharnam, everything is the same. Come here, get his darshan and his blessing. Instead of, fighting for something that is not even empowerment or liberation in any form. Come over here. He is here. He will call you. When he calls you, come over here. Otherwise, wait till you're 60, go to Shabarimala with that 18 padi. Otherwise, there's no point of going to Shabarimala and Ayyappan. It is not liberation or women empowerment in any way to want to go to Shabarimala. That I really want to tell youngsters.
There is no point in, fighting against. See, we all Hindus. See, we have got our own this that Ayyappan ku vandu shuddhama irkanam. So 60 is a must. Come what may. Pinalende poren, that's not right. 18 padi chauti eranam. We have to go. This is the 4th year I'll be going. This March. Every year March we go. That is the Guru Swami. 4th year, March we'll be going. This is my 4th year to Shabarimala. And he has been constantly going. He used to come all the way from Abu Dhabi only to Darshan, only for Ayyappan. Morning he'll come, evening he'll go.
இந்த இயர்ல ஒரு பிரச்சனையுமே இருக்காது. ஹாப்பி தானே எல்லாரும்?
Very happy.
Definitely happy.
Ayyappanna kandale trupti. Yes. Very happy.
We have to understand it is not about Shuddham or Ashuddham. It is about a science. Nammalde temples, okay, there is a science behind it. Adonda parnadu, you should not come at this time, you should not go at that time. Nammala adu manasilakite, we have to behave accordingly. Then there is no point if we are going to think something else. If you don't have belief, stay away. That's it. But you are getting this option and people are not even aware of this option. That is why it's so sad. When I got to know that Perinadile this is happening, ingene sambhavam undu, I said, Appa, let's go. Because I have never got a chance to go to Shabarimala. Appa, enakku chance kittiyappo vannada. This is the 3rd year. And he's been kind enough to call me for 3 years. I should say it that way.
அங்கே சபரிமலையில் போயால் போலும் இந்த மாதிரி தரிசனம் கிடைக்காது. ஆனால் ரொம்ப ரஷ் ஆகிடும். இங்கே கொஞ்சம் ஃப்ரீயாக நல்லபடியாக தரிசனம்.
By God's grace, my first Shabarimala trip was very peaceful. Absolutely no crowd. Taniye, all alone I was in that 18 padi.
எந்த இயரில்?
4 years back. 4 வருஷம் மும்பல. Now I am going continuously because I can go.
I am waiting for when I can go, when I'm over 60. Till then, whenever he calls, nan ivada varu. And I will see him. Because I've gone to Erimeli, I've gone to Petta. Now this is the 3rd temple, Ayyappan temple I'm going to. But Shabarimala, when I get the call, I will go there also. I'm waiting for it. Over 60. 60. Yes, Swami Sharanam. Exactly. Thank you.